everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Marcy here once more. Welcome back to my kitchen, and today we are making an easy, slow cooked meal tender crockpot chicken served with buttery cabbage and some fluffy white rice. This is just perfect for your busy days, and I was extremely tired today, honestly. My eyes were literally closing on my drive home. So I decided I was just gonna come home and just make some dinner in the crock pot. So here we go. I have my chicken cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it, and then we are going to season and then just put it in the crock pot and just forget about it. Trust me, this is just perfect for busy moms. You have the kids running around the house, or you come from work and you're tired. This is just perfect. Just put it in the crock pot and leave it alone. So now I'm adding in some olive oil. I have some blended herbs that I'm going to add. I am going to also add a little of my jerk seasoning, but this is optional. All right, just a little bit. And then I'm going to use a mixture of my favorite seasoning and just season this chicken to perfection. Okay, for those who doesn't have a crock pot, you can use the lowest setting on your oven and put your chicken in there, and it will slow cook it just as the crock pot would. Okay, so if you don't have a crock pot, no problem, you can go about your day, do what you have to do, your house chores, your at home job, whatever it is, and just know that your chicken is cooking slowly and absorbing all this goodness. So here I'm adding some chicken broth to the same pan that the chicken was seasoned in. Add that juicy flavorful liquid in there. Next, I will add some onions and some butter and just cover this. And I did cover it, and I did went and take a nice long nap. Hi. So I took 3 hours nap. I don't know if you can call that nap since it's 3 hours. I don't know, but I feel rested. The chicken is cooking. Still cooking. We're gonna look at it. I was extremely tired. This is what makes it perfect dish to make. Just put it in a crock pot and don't worry about it. Looks good. Very tender. Tastes amazing. So now I'm gonna remove the liquid from the crock pot. We're gonna use that to make a delicious gravy. We're not adding anything to it, any ketchup or anything. We just want to keep that delicious flavor from the chicken. And I will make the gravy later, but before that, I'm making some cabbage to go with my crock pot chicken. This is quite quick and easy, and I'm gonna also go ahead and put some rice to steam. So once my veggies are sauteed, my carrots, bell peppers, onions, garlic, I'm gonna go ahead add in my cabbage and let the cabbage just go ahead and shrink before I add my seasoning. Alright, so now we're gonna go in add in some butter. We're gonna add in some garlic and herb seasoning, and you can add some vegetable bouillon, whatever you want to go ahead and add to your cabbage, whatever season you want to use, some Creole all purpose, whatever you feel like you want to use, go ahead and season your cabbage. Make sure it's really tasty. I'm adding in some Italian herbs and some dried thyme, and then we are gonna just give it a few more minutes. I like mine on the softer side. If you like it crunchy, it's about done, honestly. But I like mine on the softer side with a little juice to go with it. Okay, so I'm gonna let mine cook for a little bit more. It's totally up to you. Okay, so please don't tell me that my cabbage is overcooked. Okay, it's all about the preference. So I'm just gonna let it steam for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna move on to the gravy. Yes. So I'm adding some of that chicken juice, and I'm gonna add about two to three tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. Stir that in just to thicken this sauce a little bit, and then we're gonna add the rest of the liquid, and that's it. All the flavor is in the juices from the crock pot. I'm telling you, don't spoil it with any barbecue sauce, no ketchup, nothing. Just this plain gravy. My husband is a chef, and when you see, he came home the next day and asked me, "What was in that sauce yesterday? It tasted really good." You know that this was, was very flavorful. It was very delicious. So I wouldn't come on here and tell you any lie. Just this plain southern style gravy is perfect for the meal. So I have it simmering on medium to low heat, and it has thickened. You can see you don't want it too thick. So this is the consistency that you're looking for, a semi-thick gravy. And it has all that flavor from the chicken and the seasoning and the herbs that I use on the chicken. All right, so here it is. It's ready. It's time to plate our dinner. The cabbage is also juicy and ready. And yeah, let's go. So I forgot to mention, when I took the juices out from the chicken, I still let it continue cooking to get a nice color. And this is it, it's ready. So now let's go ahead and plate my husband's dinner. I just realized, guys, that I'm almost an empty nester. My 16-year-old daughter is in her room. She ate something already and she's taking a nap. So I'm just going to share a small plate for myself. And let me tell you, it was so flavorful, and plus it's easy to make. If you love slow cooker recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. All right, for more homemade comfort dishes. The chicken was so juicy, it was falling off the bone, and the gravy at the bottom, that was just pure gold. Trust me. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dishes, okay? And leave a comment in the comment section as well.